The global ocean control climate, short version. The global ocean significantly influences climate by actively exchanging gases with the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen. The ocean absorbs approximately 30% of atmospheric CO2, acting as a major carbon sink, while phytoplankton contribute oxygen essential for marine life. Since 1750, atmospheric CO2 levels have risen over 50%, from around 280 parts per million to more than 420 ppm in 2024, driven primarily by human activities. The ocean surface has warmed by about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880, absorbing 90% of excess atmospheric heat, contributing to sea level rise of 8 to 9 inches due to thermal expansion and melting ice. This interplay between the ocean and atmosphere is critical in regulating Earth's climate and contributes to ongoing climate change. A February 5, 2026 Google search to answer this question: does the global ocean control climate? Does the global ocean control climate? Yes, very much so. The two remain intertwined as they share a number of gases. The ocean and atmosphere actively share key gases, primarily carbon dioxide C02, oxygen O2, and nitrogen N2, through air-sea surface exchange, driven by wind, waves, and chemical balance. The ocean absorbs roughly 30% of atmospheric carbon monoxide too, while phytoplankton photosynthesis releases oxygen into the water and atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide too, the ocean acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing about 30% of human-caused carbon monoxide 2 emissions. This exchange regulates atmospheric concentrations but causes ocean acidification, oxygen O2. Produced by marine plants and phytoplankton, oxygen dissolves into the ocean from the atmosphere, crucial for marine life respiration. N2, similar to oxygen, also joins the other atmospheric gases. Other gases, the ocean also exchanges smaller amounts of water vapor and methane CH4. These gases constantly move between the two systems to maintain equilibrium. Methane, by the way, has much more power to increase global warming, which causes climate change. The ocean and atmosphere actively share key gases, primarily water vapor, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen, through air-sea surface exchange driven by wind, waves, and chemical balance. Rising water vapor from a warming global ocean remains the most powerful greenhouse gas, although it remains in the atmosphere for about 2 weeks and less. As the global ocean warms, greater amounts of this powerful heat driver increases. Yes, there's no mistaking the role atmospheric water and a warming ocean share in raising Earth's overall average temperature, which thousands of instruments measure daily. The atmosphere and global ocean play a part in feedback loops. The ocean absorbs roughly 30% of atmospheric carbon monoxide, while phytoplankton photosynthesis releases oxygen into the water and atmosphere. Carbon dioxide. The ocean acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing about 30% of anthropogenic CO emissions. This exchange regulates atmospheric concentration